So my wife and I bought this Lexus RX350 about 5 months ago, and we really love the car, except that in this area somewhere there's a vibration, and it's just been driving us crazy. So the first thing I did was get online and searched through the forums and YouTube looking for some kind of solution to this. And even though it seemed to be a very common problem with Lexus owners, no one seemed to offer a fix. So I started digging into ours, and I pulled the nav out the other day, and I was pretty sure it was behind here, either the air ducts or the wiring or something vibrating. Couldn't find a thing. So I got underneath the dash and poked around. I couldn't find anything under there causing it either. And that's because it's not inside the car. Now our vibration was under the hood, up against the firewall, and I've removed these push pin retaining clips just to make it easier to pull this cover off. And if you do so, and then you look way underneath, get a light here. You'll see these clamps, these hanger clamps that are holding this hose up near the firewall. And this one in particular was extremely loose and rattling around. So as you can see, I shoved a piece of a rag in here with a screwdriver just to see if this was the problem. And I've been driving around now for 3 days and the car is absolutely silent. So what I'm going to do now is to squirt some silicone caulk in here just to make this a more permanent fix. I'm not saying this is everybody's problem with their Lexus, but this certainly fixed ours. So I hope it helps somebody.